ata Donkor ye nyina ye nim fresh NDA mami oye social ya just wo bia enim mami TikTok ni Facebook dia mami agidin NDA obi an ni geno pa oni ku eye Big Joe ne manta fo ne ye keka ho na mami sebi nam ne hawa owo nti sese ayeso wo bo wa kakrakra na esukonu ma bi pese wo de nanim eye fam Doma hene eyo hene bia mpuntu adwuma pa de papa yi nani gi ho a ye kase ye cleaning ewo kromu anase yesisi adanfa mo amema de ye ka all the Ghana kings na doma hene eyo bia oka ho a oye ope eye mpuntu ndwuma ewo ne dwuma papa yi etusa eko US memo oko America memo na wokodu na NDA enim se obi adu a NDA ta akohyiehia adwontofo na beka NDA kohyia no wo hyia ye doma hene ene na twetwe nkomo ekomodide no bisa na se wabohwie fi Ghana abahase but abempa nti na ma wa free Ghana abahase na nane sampa wo pese wo si hospital eboa ne manti wo ba eye abrochi mema be la sulala so obenya sika kakra o de be support to eye build and as a project no ayarehwe na aboa ne man na se papa why ade pe nam ne waka nti me na ata Donkor ne wo ye me support to ne mu odin me de me ho bagim papa a support to won se social media de kasa no ya fa e de bia sisi so a sisi akoye se eye NDA wakasa tia eye Asante hina Asante ni esukonuma bi abeta social media so edidi Naana na sesesi ade ontina mama fa sebe ne mayare oyare emeka ne nsha adoye opeso ye no maka na hye na bu afu yi pa ma yentie ne mra
small boy bia wo on page wo no de ehye no metumi ahye obeye ya me na me so wo botuamu kankan wo botuamu hyehyew enti se wo gidi se ma ayeja wo bi nti me se mombra come we ya me bia am free ye ni video da me page no so mon kwa na mo support no obiala o hwe me biala on pick it me se me keep quiet o se me tina ha no ma we mo be say ade na ye no se me ye din a you guys will destroy the aim and I am not going to do that because you know why my child is in America here and my child is getting the support that he needs. Those that they are in Ghana, they are not getting a damn thing. So for what we're supposed to do that we have followers, we have to help. And it's my mega some trouble. Crow way I'm doing. Obi pudo do cry a maniska. America. So I will fra pudo do ya maniska. So akola wa asthma ya maniska. Akola or asthma ya maniska. Say what asthma no they think say yare your money ska. I am not going to keep quiet for you guys to destroy what I'm doing. Never ever. Why my number is on social media and they are sending me message, sweetheart, you can go and put patrol on the sea and burn it. We are not stopping. Obiala obeba krom habiala. So mama kwanya, I will go to them. Anybody who come here, give me opportunity. Me obiao. Megas where do you ankasa with social media? Sani pedo ye ya no ankasa no. Me pacho me ya wo mo fa me Naana Donkor bi fi agona nya akromanko school. Education level is very low. Opese unya followers. Enti wo do obi ni nkwa ba beto chacha. Opese unya followers and likes. Enti wo do obi ni nkwa ba beto chacha. Wunia any ama free ya aka wo be bom pa ya ma no se wunia any ama free ya since ya lot no hwehwe 88 million a week a month aka obeka social media say ye megigi ska ye fama no se wunia any da hwan no ya wo bi ma omatua me ka they have paid me and that money that me nya this you know na not the send me last month on the 15th that sika no and na me the man we offended Isaac Jewel. I sent this guy 30 million. Isaac we also Emmanuel last month me man for 90 million. All the money that I get from social media. Mama I don't depend on the government. I don't depend. I work. I don't depend on government. I work. And remember, say I have very big followers. I have very big page. So what I'm doing here, it gives me money. Don't ever think say obi me say me nyedin Patrick Penny Patrick Beck Obeka so on me nyedwuma biem eno na ba pasanye Patrick a obi ankwada So original kasa oni mi ye adwuma biema eno na ebenkum. But apart from Patrick kasa oni mi ye oni mi be ye adwuma we. Na say obe take me the way as I am. Wo ya me do na me pa me ba be respond wo do. Say me kasa wa me kasa. But say me kasa ho a me nkeka obi anasem. This time me ko obi anasem. Me nko fo obi nasem e na mo de ma betina ha be ye ya me. Me nko obi anasem. E ya me ame platform e na me ya ade wo so. And it is a wo pese wo be ye ya me a wo de fabra. Bring them. I'll go face you. If you think say me say my yes me nkasa bad dia mo ye no. So what did he say? Me a me nkeka obi anasem. Se metia na me bo obi ni yare hu de huro. Na so baba bring them. What did he say? What did he say? Easy. Bompai na yare come. Na nkasa yare bowa. Ka be hu se de sitie. Se wo nua se wo ba ene ame free ya aka wo be hu aya kwahwehwe Solomon owusu e wo TikTok a wo be hu bra obre wo be hu dia ne fu aye ma dwunya mo se ja meyenda bibia koye ya ma bibia koye ya ma so you don't see how bad life is. You think everything is trending, everything is social media, everything. If you know what people are going through, Yari Amanfuko, oh Ghana, you from Ghana, you speak Ghana language. Why are you gonna behave like that? About end of the day, you wouldn't take a Ghana city here. You know very well how Ghana is. Do you think they better keep it quiet? No about better sell or be jumedi. Yeah, maho kwani. Do you know how much money did that woman raise here? Do you know how much money did that woman raise here? What would the kwako sit down? Esi sunyane. Ebi kura me kura sunyane kura me nkwa hoda na mewu. Ebi kura sunyane me nkwa hoda na mewu. Ebi kura me meti wa me ye citizen. Ebi a me nya kidney bia abrochi na o mbehwe me. Ebi kura mpa me meti hanom sisi ya metie. Ebi kura mpa se me yare kidney di bi mpo na me kɔ Ghana. Medwuma amaye wo krom hanom. Me social ebe bua me mama ahwe metumi akɔ dialysis. What about obi ote Ghana?
Vimba.
Afena mo suba ntisa. One no ye ya obi. One no kasa atia obi. Ediade na me ye. Woman tia me ka me betwa video. Aba betwa video. Bone ben na ewom. Bone ben. What is this? What have we gained for all of this tribalism aye no? Ediade papa na edi abrayen.
Na say one more Asante hini din. One boni din da enti sebe on twem akola bi a obetimi awo ne ba edi nanim abetwitwi fom. Update bi be free bebe kwantwa ma be sum makra.